What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and SHIB token. So, some really fantastic things I want to mention, including this Robinhood letter that was in response to someone asking about a SHIB or a Shiba Inu or SHIB token listing. So really cool response. I will cover that in just a little bit, but I do want to look at the price action. So Shiba Inu is currently ranked #1 in the entire globe as the most looked at and searched cryptocurrency on coin market cap. So we need to understand that there's people watching this thing, and a lot of investors are looking for good entry points to start entering into this play. So for the SHIB Army that is watching today, I want to look at the price action. So a lot of people are saying, why has there been a sell-off? What's going on? But guys, in my opinion, right, what we're seeing again is we're seeing potentially some consolidation in the positive direction. So as you guys can see, after the entire market sold off, it was kind of hanging around between 7 to 8.5 Satoshi units. But now we saw a beautiful run up, a little bit of a sell-off, but we're now testing higher lows, right? We're not seeing higher highs, of course, but higher lows. Whenever we see that in anything, typically in the stock market is the perspective I'm speaking from, but even in the cryptocurrency market, that means there's a new level of support and new investors who entered that have, that have diamond hands. So all of you diamond handers, you guys are the ones that are creating this buying pressure and helping people understand what is the true power of Shiba Inu and the SHIB Army. So as you guys know, a lot of catalysts are on the way, including the Robinhood listing. That's going to be a huge catalyst. I'm going to look at the Dogecoin price action when it was listed on Robinhood back in 2018. And I want to show you guys what I think is going to happen for Shiba Inu when that occurs as well. And also Shiba Swap, that is on the way, folks. And we're just waiting very patiently for the release of Shiba Swap as an exchange to start trading SHIB token and other cryptocurrencies as well. Now, before I continue through the video and cover the letter, I do want to mention, click the link below in the description if you want to get your free Bitcoin. From me to you and from BlockFi to me as well. We all get, you get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you deposit money into your BlockFi account. And it's just another place to start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. And also get your free stocks with Webull. Get 2 free stocks, folks, valued up to $1,850. $1,850 could be yours if you click the link below, sign up and deposit money into your Webull brokerage account. Now, where am I getting all this information? So as you guys know, I started an Instagram page, very small, not asking anyone to follow me really, that's not the goal here. But if you guys know, one of my followers and someone that I truly, look up to way back when is Scott Herman Fitness. So Mr. Scott Herman did send over a message to me after we had a dialogue after my live stream. And he said one of his friends sent out an email to Robinhood, and this was his response. I did ask for Scott's permission before I shared the screenshot, of course, but here it is, folks. If you go on the DM that him and I were talking, the dialogue we had, it's right here. So his friend Joseph said, he sent an email to Robinhood saying, hey, Robinhood, we really want to get this listed. So again, outside of the petition that has over 50,000 signatures already, look what Robinhood responded with. Thanks for reaching out to Robinhood. I appreciate your suggestions and really means a lot to us. Again, he asked about Shiba Inu and Kishu Inu as well. It is my pleasure to have you regarding with your crypto concern. So again, Robinhood Crypto supports buying, selling, and real-time market data for Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum Classic, ETC, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin BSV. We also support real-time market data for 10 other cryptocurrencies. That is the current things that are available on Robinhood. So not many. Moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu and Kishu Inu coins. And we'll be sure to let you know as soon as information becomes available. Keep in mind that supporting market data for individual cryptocurrencies doesn't necessarily mean we plan to add buying and selling, right? So that's for the other 10 that they currently have. But again, specifically stated on this previous paragraph, we are planning to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu. So SHIB Army, SHIB token holders, get excited when we see this. And again, of course, why am I super excited about this statement? Because Robinhood could have responded and said, thank you for your suggestion. We'll get back to you at a later time. No, they responded with this specific paragraph saying, moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu family. SHIB Army, this is exactly what we need. more accessibility for SHIB token, so more and more people can buy into SHIB coin and join this movement, right? We're so much more than just a token or a coin. We are a community. We are a huge family that is growing day by day. So guys, again, I wanted to show you just the overall cryptocurrency market condition. Very, very bullish in terms of what's going to happen in the short term and long term for Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency infrastructure and market as a whole. Now, before I continue, remember, my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I try to put you guys on the place that I'm in, and I'm going to tell you guys what I'm trying to do when it comes to Shiba Inu now and potentially buying even more. Because again, the more bullish I get, the more I want to invest into this cryptocurrency because I'm super excited for what it has to offer and what the community has to hold. So I talked about what the developers were saying in terms of Shiba Swap. And of course, they have some great things to say, and they're just telling us to be patient. Be patient, be patient, be patient. And always remember, the cryptocurrency market, the stock market, it is a vehicle to take money from the impatient, those of us who sell in the panic when we're in panic mode when we see a pullback, to the patient, those of us who are diamond handers. The diamond handers will succeed ultimately. That is the ultimate destination for most of us who diamond hand. As long as we truly believe in the space, it has some great fundamentals and potential, the diamond handers will always be successful. So again, let's hope that's the case when it comes to Shiba Inu. So what am I going to compare this to? Dogecoin. On July 16th, 2018, Dogecoin was available for trading on Robinhood. They made it official. This was, again, way past the bull market phase, which was, end of 2017, beginning of 2018. It was pretty much entering into bearish territory. But guess what happened when Dogecoin was listed on Robinhood? As soon as it became available, looking at this exact chart, it went from 0.0024 per coin, right? Compared to where it is today, that's just a fraction of a fraction. It bounced all the way up to 36 or 0.0036. So as you can see, over a span of the day, it didn't go up 10%, right? It didn't go up just 20%. No, this thing flew very, very rapidly and very, very quickly, almost, 40% in the span of just that listing on Robinhood. Of course, we saw people take profits, so always remember this. That's what I love about technical analysis and charts. I don't do all those lines that are fancy that people like to chart out. That's not the goal here, folks. The goal is for us to understand what are good entry points, what are good times to take profits, and what are good times to continue to hold. For everyone that decided to sell here, right? They were like, oh my goodness, I'm losing my money. I'm losing my money on Dogecoin when it was 0.0036. Guess what? Today you're looking at that as, wow, I didn't 10x my money. I 100x'd my money if I kept holding on this day today if you held your Dogecoin from 3 years ago. I don't want you guys to be a product of those who got scared because guess what? It peaked and then it troughed. Yes, you saw significant losses, but those were temporary losses, folks. As long as you're a true diamond hander and you believe in these things, guess what happens? We look at the all-time chart. Look how insignificant it was way back in 2018 to where it is now. Beautiful price action. So if you put $1,000 in way back here in 2018, $1,000, it's not $10,000 today. It is potentially $100,000 just from Dogecoin. And I'm comparing that directly to Shiba Inu. Right now, we're looking at it as, wow, I bought some Dogecoin at, Shiba Inu tokens right around that 11 Satoshi mark. Geez, it's down to 9.3 Satoshi units. I'm down, 15%. Come on now. Guess what? If we focus on the all-time chart, right? Right now, for the short term, for this cycle, it seems like, yes, we're seeing a significant sell-off, but as long as the cryptocurrency market continues to rally, as long as we see these bullish sentiments continue to, kind of engulf this entire space, including Elon Musk's tweets, including positive media attention, including more acceptance at bigger institutions, bigger banks, we're going to see this thing, in my opinion, fly. It's no longer a meme coin, folks. Shiba Inu is a movement. It is something that I truly am starting to really, really, really love. Love their community, love the Discord, love the developers. I love every single thing about it. Currently approaching that $4 billion market cap. And easily, after the listing occurs and Shiba Swap is announced, I think we're going to see it back to all-time highs and hopefully exceed that. So I'm going to continue to be very bullish. And of course, if you're looking at it from the perspective of your long-term hold a couple years out, Getting some skin in the game is never a bad idea, as long as you always assess your own risk tolerance. What does that mean? Whatever money you're willing to lose and stomach volatile times about is the amount of money you should potentially be putting into Shiba Inu. Don't put $1 more or $1 less. So for those of us who have millions of dollars to our name, hey, guess what? You have a lot more buying power and you have a lot more, risk tolerance. But for me, I don't have millions of dollars. So what I'm doing is, from every paycheck, maybe I'll add just a little bit more to my Shiba Inu, as well as my other cryptocurrency holdings, and also in the stock market, because yes, I'm an investor of the stock market, full transparency. It's been pretty bearish lately. Crypto has been more attractive, especially with the pullback. I pounced. Ethereum was 1,800. Boom, I'm gonna drop some money on there. Shiba Inu dropped to 0.6 Satoshi units. Boom, I pounced on that. And that's how we gotta keep doing things. We pounce on the days that we see pullbacks, as long as you believe in the entire infrastructure and platform of Shiba Inu and cryptocurrency as a whole. If you don't, you gotta be able to, if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks or cryptocurrencies, as Keenan Gray says, then you gotta stay out of the kitchen. That's really what it is. So again, if you stay to the end of the video, please comment down below. Let me know your position on Shiba Inu, how much you have, what your price target is, your price predictions. Because for me, I really think this is hopefully going to take us to Pluto, not a 10x. I still think it has potentially a 100x potential to become one of the top 5 coins out of all of them. Just because, again, we're no longer a token or a coin. We're no longer just SHIB coin, Shiba Inu, SHIB army. Yes, we are the SHIB army, but we are the SHIB movement. And until next time, everybody, keep investing.